Top headlines for the day.
आज मैं आपसे एक स्टार या सेलिब्रिटी की तरह बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं बात कर रहा हूं आपसे एक आर्मी मैन के बेटे की तरह। कई दिनों से मैं देख रहा हूं कि न्यूज में या फिर न्यूज़पेपर में अपने ही देश के लोगों को अपनों से बहस करते हुए देख रहा हूं। कोई सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक का प्रूफ मांग रहा है, कोई आर्टिस्टों को बैन करने की मांग कर रहा है, कोई डर रहा है कि वॉर हो गई कि नहीं। अरे शर्म करो। अरे यार, ये सब बहस बाद में कर लेना, पहले ये तो सोचो कि किसी ने सरहद पे ऑलरेडी अपनी जान दे दी है। 19 जवान उरी टेरर अटैक में शहीद हो गए। एक 24 साल का जवान नितिन यादव बारामूला में शहीद हो गया। क्या उनकी फैमिलीज और हमारे हजारों फौजियों की फैमिलीज को इस बात की चिंता है कि कोई फिल्म रिलीज होगी या नहीं, या कोई आर्टिस्ट बैन होगा कि नहीं? नहीं, उनको सिर्फ एक ही बात की चिंता है, वो है उनका भविष्य। और हमारी चिंता है उनका वर्तमान, और उनका भविष्य सही होना चाहिए। वो है तो आज मैं हूं, वो है तो आज आप हैं, वो नहीं तो हिंदुस्तान नहीं। जय हिंद।
करण जौहर की फिल्म है दिल मुश्किल के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे, जिसमें कि खिलाफत चल रही है हिंदुस्तान में, कोई भी सब उस फिल्म की खिलाफत कर रहा है क्योंकि पाकिस्तान एक्टर उस फिल्म का हिस्सा है। आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या हिंदुस्तान में फवाद खान जैसे क्या बल्कि उससे बेहतरीन एक्टर है, करण जौहर को क्या कहना चाहिए?
यार मैं करण जौहर को क्या बोलूँ यार, अल्लाह उसको नेक हिदायत दे, अल्लाह उसको सही समझ दे। मैं दुआ करूँगा करण जौहर के लिए कि अल्लाह उसको सही रास्ते पे ले आए। अरे लव डे के बारे में तो बात कर यार, ये लव डे की फिल्म है। तू है दिल है मुश्किल, करण जौहर और सलमान खान, मेरे भाई मेरा इनसे क्या लेना देना यार। कौन है भाई? सलमान भाई को मैं मानता हूँ, अपने भाई है, मैं प्यार करता हूँ उनसे। अभी उनकी ज़िंदगी है, वो जो भी स्टेटमेंट देंगे वो उनकी लाइफ है यार। मैं कौन होता हूँ उनको कोई सलाह देने वाला? मैं तो सिर्फ दुआ कर सकता हूँ उनके लिए।
तो आप करण जौहर का कुछ कहना चाहेंगे स्पेसिफिकली? करण जौहर है दिल मुश्किल लेके आ रहे हैं फवाद खान को लेकर, और सलमान ने भी बयान दिया है कि अगर वो एक्टर हैं तो हिंदुस्तान की सरकार उन्हें वीज़ा क्यों देती?
ये तो यार सरकार का भी प्रॉब्लम है। सलमान भाई सही बोले कि जो वीज़ा मिलेगा तो आदमी अंदर आएगा, आप वीज़ा देना बंद करेंगे तो आदमी नहीं आएगा। उनकी बात तो सही है ना, वीज़ा क्यों देते हैं? मोदी जी भी खुद जाते हैं नवाज शरीफ के पास यार, उसको पता नहीं क्या दावत देने जा रहे हैं। अरे कैसे होगा सम्मेलन जो 70 साल से नहीं हुआ, कैसे होगा भाई? मोदी जी को नहीं जाना चाहिए। मोदी जी गए थे, अभी किडनैप हो जाते, पता नहीं हमको क्या क्या करना पड़ता। क्यों गए थे पाकिस्तान?
Hello Sallu fans! Well, we are here with a glimpse of your favorite superstar Salman Khan from the sets of Manali. Check this out. Bhaijan Salman Khan was spotted rehearsing on a beautiful tune for dance with Shabina Khan. And that too in what we suspect to be his look in the film. And we must say that Bhai is looking so handsome in the shirt and sweater. Salman is indeed looking very cute and adorable in this picture. And I'm sure all of you would agree to this, है ना? Well, our superstar of Bollywood has collaborated with Kabir Khan yet again. And we are sure that he'll bring yet another blockbuster to hit the silver screen and break all the records. Bhai will be seen playing the role of a special character for the very first time. And this is something that the fans are eagerly waiting for. Don't you think so? Do let us know. Hello Sallu fans. Well, our Bhaijan is not only ruling the roost by his movies, acting skill and killer personality, but now another fact has come up and Bhaijan has proved his supremacy yet again. How? Well, Salman Khan has paid the highest advance tax numbers in this financial year. Wow, isn't that great? Dabangg Salman is leading the list of actors by paying an advance tax of rupees 16 crores. Yes guys, it surely is a very big number. Well, if you talk about the second positions, you will be surprised to know that both Akshay Kumar and Hrithik Roshan paid the same amount of advance tax. They both have paid rupees 11 crores. To add to this, let us tell you that last year Khiladi Kumar was leading with a sum of rupees 18 crores, but now Bhaijan has broken all the records. So guys, let us know what you think about this.
As we all know that Deepika Padukone is all set to make her Hollywood debut in the upcoming film Triple X, The Return of Alexander Cage, along with superstar Vin Diesel. And guess what? She has chosen Salman Khan's Big Boss 10 to start promotion of a Hollywood flick. Now, isn't that great? Well, Salu fans have been eagerly waiting to see this beautiful pair on screen, but somehow it didn't happen. But now they're coming together on the small screen. According to reports in a leading tabloid, Salman, who's known for his wit and humor, was seen teasing Dippy throughout the show. He even teased her by saying, "Ab to hamare saath bhi act kar lo." Insiders said they shot a power-packed opening episode with Salman taking digs at the Hollywood action star while congratulating Deepika on her global success. Now after this, we can't wait to see this dhamakedar episode. Aren't you guys waiting for this? Oh my god, Salman Khan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan are all set to patch up. Well, you would say, are you joking? But it seems so. Yes, because there are rumors doing the rounds in B-Town that Ash is now ready to work with her ex-boyfriend Salman Khan. Now, isn't that shocking? According to sources, Ash doesn't have any problem with Salman again, but only on one condition. She would only work with Salu when the script and the director will be extraordinary. Now this gives us some hope to see the iconic Jodie on the silver screen again. Well, Ash's upcoming film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is all set to release on October 28th, but Ash will not promote the film on any platform. Thus, director of the film Karan Johar and another actress Anushka Sharma would promote the film on Salman's Big Boss 10. But after hearing Salu and Ash's patch up, we are pretty excited to see them once again. Aren't you guys waiting for this historic moment? Do let us know. Bollywood's stubborn Salman Khan has always been known as a man with a golden heart. The actor never hesitates to help anyone financially. His NGO Being Human has always been reflecting his personality of kind and helpful nature. But do you know how much of his income he spends on charity? Well, you'll be shocked because Salu donates 90% of his income to charity. Now that shows an example of a great human being, है ना? Especially the star himself enjoys doing charity to the people who are genuinely in need. Well, it clearly shows that Salu is indeed down-to-earth person who only spends 10% of his income on himself. Moreover, his sister Alvira also said about his detachment to money. She said he doesn't even know how much money he has and is completely detached from money. Kudos Salman. So guys, what is your thought about this Being Human star? Do let us know in the comments section below. Betanas has its own share of breakups and patch-ups. How can one forget Salman and Aishwarya's relationship? Who had once painted the town red seems to now put all that behind them. Recently, a strange thing happened which led many tongues wagging. Apparently, during recent Filmfare Award function 2016, when Bhaijan Salman Khan met Ashish Aradhya on stage, she called him Pa. And this particular incident went trending over social media. Many eyes popped out to why did Aradhya call him Pa? We all know Bhai has always maintained relations with his exes. Be it Katrina or Zareen Khan, both have maintained their ties with Bhaijan. In fact, recent speculations also said that Ash doesn't mind working with Bhaijan. But we gotta wait until the cat is out of the bag. But in the meantime, what do you think about this incident? Do punch in your thoughts in the comments section below. As we all know, the three Khans of Bollywood, Aamir, Salman and Shah Rukh have always been famous for their stardom and super hit films. Thus, many of their duplicates copy their style and dialogues and become popular amongst the masses. And recently, their duplicates made a video in which one can see the duplicates of Aamir, Salu and SRK are riding a cycle and showing off their friendship. Later, when Salu Mia saw this video, he couldn't stop himself to promote these duplicates. Yes, guys. Recently, Salu promoted those duplicates on his Twitter handle. He wrote, "God bless Salman Aka Sagar Pandey, Raju Raikwar Aka SRK, Devasis Aka Aamir, बड़े होके झगड़ा मत करना और किया तो मेकअप कर लेना." Whoa! Now, isn't that sweet of him? After all, Salu has always been making pranks and has taken sportingly too. And this time too, he does the same thing. So now, after Salu's reaction, aren't you guys waiting for Shah Rukh and Aamir's reaction? Do let us know in the comments section below.
After Salman gave a controversial comment against banning the Pakistani artist in India, many people, celebrities as well as politicians slammed him for his comment. However, eminent politician Shaina NC recently supported Salman for it. She said Salman was asked a question, he answered it. This is a totally uncalled for reaction. One shouldn't piggyback on Salman's stardom just to get noticed. Whoa, it seems like politician genuinely agrees with his statement. But you would be shocked when she slammed Pakistani actor Fawad Khan for being wrongly accused of making anti-Indian statements. She said, who the hell cares what he said or didn't say, as long as he had the decency to speak up against terrorism. As someone who has been working in India, he needs to condemn all acts of terror. By doing so, he wouldn't be condemning his government. Why should he keep quiet about an act of terror in a country that has given him his identity? Whoa, after her reaction, what do you think? Did she say right about Sallu? Let us know.
We've seen Salman Khan wearing a black suit in the Sagai song Sajan Ji Ghar Aaye from Karan Johar's first film Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. But do you know, Karan had to go down on his knees in front of Sallu and persuade him to wear that suit? Recently, in an interview, Kejo said that initially he thought Salman was pulling his legs for wanting to wear those torn jeans for the song. But that time, Karan requested him saying, "Please, it's my first film. I beg you, don't do this to me. Wear the black suit." He further added, I don't think he's ever seen a grown-up man weep like buckets in front of him. And he was like, yeah, don't worry, मैं पहन लूँगा. तू रोना मत हाँ, मैं मार डालूँगा तुझे. तू रोना मत. Well, after this Kejo's revelation, what do you think about Sallu's funny side? Do let us know in the comments section below.